Now is a great time to join the Knit or the Crochet Club. At Mary Maxim, we have 4 different kinds of crafting clubs. We have the Knit Club, we have the Crochet Club, we have the Plastic Canvas Club, and the Puzzle Club. So each month we identify yarns and crafting supplies that we like to design with, and we design something for our members. So normally these are very limited supplies. This month, however, we designed using Mary Maxim Trendy Baby. If you haven't had a chance to work with Mary Maxim Trendy Baby, this is a great time to start. Trendy Baby is anti-pill, antibacterial, and we thought this was a great opportunity to open some of our kits. We're going to do an unboxing and show you what is actually in this month's Knit and Crochet Club. This is the Knit Club here. Again, we're using Mary Maxim Trendy Baby. This is an antibacterial and an anti-pill yarn. This month's club comes with 4 skeins of Trendy Baby. They're so soft. I really like working with this yarn. I know I had a chance to make a few baby gifts with it, and they went over really well. So let's pull out our finished Afghan. This knit Afghan, it's a 27 by 30 in size. So what I really like about clubs is when they're being designed with beginner and intermediate knitters and crocheters in mind. So they're great to challenge yourself creatively. They're a great way to keep things fresh if you are an active designer. Well, this matching baby hat is adorable. It matches the Afghan, and you do have enough in the kit to make both, so that's not a concern. Best part is you can keep the pattern, so you can use the pattern on other items. Our design team has really worked hard to create these amazing designs just for you. So this is Mary Maxim's Crochet Club kit for February. It also uses Mary Maxim Trendy Baby. The Crochet Club also comes with an Afghan and a little hat that goes with it. So let's take a look at our finished piece. This Afghan, again, is 25 inches by 30. And it has this really beautiful and very simple ripple pattern to it. Again, if you haven't tried a ripple before, this is a great one to start with. If you are an old pro at ripples, this will be a really fun piece to crochet. And this is the adorable little hat that goes with February's Crochet Club. Click the link down below. There's only a little bit of time to get in on February's club. March is coming soon, so make sure to sign up. These are limited designs. So once they're gone, they're gone. It's very rare that you would have access to them again. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the February Knit and Crochet Club. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us on our other social media profiles. Happy crafting!